You turned toward me and looked so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie. And underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're silent for the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. You're silent for the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. Follow me down, there's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn polite, can make you feel just like you were young again.
Hey ladies, what's up? How are you? So the King Tonto hair collection launches today, which is the 19th of January 2019. I am so excited because I'm about to make your ladies look so neat. My hair is popping, right? So you can have this hair just like that. We're taking payments only from Monday, which is the 21st, through to Friday, which is the 25th. So 21st to 25th for payment, and after that the payment closes. But thank you very much as you rock the Tonto, the King Tonto Luxury Hair Collection.